tore the whole clean off him for that one. Well, it's no wonder that I haven't talked to you since 2014, and the atmosphere is toxic. Proper light, yeah. Go get your affairs in order. Stop keeping fuckers under your thumb, babe. I'll easily regress into some strange form. Fuck the vibe, 'cause you stand there, I feel a mile. All this time, fucking knew that I was right. And son, baby, do that for me here, and you can throw it back if you feel like it, my dear. I let it all fall through these hands. It's another shit story, I'm sorry, working man. Hey, no, I don't think it's clever. Load of sad boys around me, whatever the weather. And how could you find any of this fair? 'Tis a grand way to lose a couple 100 hours. Who's that jumping around the back? Are you active? Are you hours? Some chore and a minute to get dressed. That gaff is 3 gaffs. Fuck it, boys, who's next? Yeah. My uncle's smoking joints in the van. Josh is getting nervous and this arm's gone dead. Come here, I'll give you a drag when Dad looks the other way. Yeah.